Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. At the video before, I show you how to use swap method at Autodesk Inventor. Now at this video, I will show you the comparison between uh, Extrude and then Revolve and then swap. We will make uh, same same feature but with three different method. First, we must make standard millimeter IPT and then click create and then start to the sketch. First, I will show you how to make maybe some geometry like cable but with square geometry. First, I will use an extrude method. And then 15. And then make extrude maybe for 30. I will make sketch again and this plane. Then finish sketch and then extrude again for 30. Now we have L three-dimensional geometry and we made it with extrude method. And then I will create same geometry but with swap method. First, we'll make a path with a line 30 and then 30 plus 15, yeah, 45. Then finish sketch. Now make a perpendicular plane and then make a rectangle 15 and 15. Finish sketch. Now click swap. This for profile and then we click this for the path. Oh sorry, the output is wrong. Again, select path and the output boolean is join. Then okay, this is it. Same geometry but we made it with different method. The first, I made it with extrude method and the second, I made it with swap method. And for your information, I made the first feature with second step, but I made the second features only with one step. You know, I think swap is more efficient if we want make same dimension on one path. And then I will show you again. I will make about revolve. I will make some creatures with revolve. Click for center line then Revolve, and now I will create same feature but with swap method. And then we click swap, and that's it. Same feature but with different method. If we wanna build like maybe cable or maybe frames, which is it means the dimension of the feature is the same, but the path is very complicated maybe or very long. I suggest you use the swap method because it's very more efficient with a complicated path. Yeah, that's all about the comparison between Revolve, Extrude, and Swap. I hope this video can solve your problem, especially using Inventor Professional 2020 student version. Don't forget for subscribe, like, comment, and share my video. Thank you.